Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you couldn't tell by the title, today is my birthday and I wanted to film a little get ready with me before I go and do all the other things that I need to do for my birthday. So in this video, I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys about, who I am, what I like to do, so you kind of get an idea of who I am as a person. Personally, when I watch YouTube videos, I like to kind of know who I'm watching, if you know what I mean. So I kind of just wanted to talk about like where I am in life, what I'm planning to do, so that you guys know who I am. So I wanted to start this YouTube channel basically so that I have like a hub for all the things that I like. I want this channel to be mostly beauty. I'm thinking about doing like once a month some real talk videos where I basically just talk about, real life stuff that I would want to hear. The stuff is like things that I've gone through in my life, maybe that other people would like information about. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing something like that. But other than that, I just want it to be like beauty, maybe some like lifestyle videos here and there. But I really enjoy makeup. I've been doing makeup for a long time. I stopped doing makeup for a while. I used to be super good at it, but basically I just want to, better myself and my abilities to do makeup. And that's kind of where this channel comes in. I'm definitely not a professional, but I just want to share what I know. So a little bit about me. I'm actually from California, but I moved to Michigan in January because I want to go to U of M, which is University of Michigan, if you had no idea. But I'm going to community college right now, and I'm planning to transfer. My major is music education. I've always been very musically gifted, and I would like to become a choir teacher. That is my main goal in life. I've known what I wanted to do for a while now, and I am super excited to, take those next steps. It's been very maturing, I guess, for me to, move across the country without my family, to kind of pursue, my dreams, I guess. Moving away from home has helped me mature in terms of financial stuff because I'm not getting help from my parents. Sometimes they'll like buy me something on Amazon or whatever, like here and there, like something that I need. But mostly I'm not getting help from anyone. So I need to work my ass off to get money to pay rent, my car insurance, all that kind of stuff. So I have 2 jobs right now. I'm a delivery driver at Domino's, and I also work at a grocery store. So what that looks like is working at the grocery store from like 12 to 7 and then working at Domino's like 8 to 3 a.m. So it's really long days, and I'm trying to squeeze this YouTube channel in also. And then I also have school, and it's just, a lot of stuff. It's a lot of time management that I need to figure out. I'm working through it, and everything's good right now. I'm in a good place financially. I'm making enough money. Sure, I'm working like most days, but I'm in a good place financially. So to get into a little bit more of what else I have going on in my life, I have a boyfriend who I've been dating for over a year. It hasn't quite been a year and a half yet. It'll be a year and a half in August. But we've been dating for a long time. That's going really good. Today for my birthday, we're actually going to drive out to Lake Michigan and go to the beach, which I'm super excited about because, you know, I think I mentioned before that I'm from California, and I lived like in a little beach town, and I miss the beach. I didn't actually like the beach when I lived there, but now that I can't have it all the time, it's like, you know, now I want to go to the beach. And then after the beach, I think we're just gonna go to dinner at like a sushi place. I love sushi. In terms of family, I have 2 brothers. My parents are divorced. My mom got remarried. You know, I really miss my family. Living so far away from them is super hard. I'm going to see them actually in August, which I'm super excited about. I really miss them. And I think it's been really hard for my brothers, especially my younger one. My younger one is, I think he's turning 11 or 10. No, yeah, he's turning 10. I don't remember my brother's age. But he's turning 10, and you know, that age is really hard. You know, like if your sibling leaves, I feel like, I'm the oldest, I feel like that would be really difficult for me, but I FaceTime my mom and my stepdad a lot, and I'll see my brothers. The older one is 16 and doesn't really care about anything, so he doesn't really talk to me a whole lot. I'll talk to my little brother sometimes, and he really likes that. He really misses me, and I'm excited to go back home in August. So to kind of get more into what I want to do with my life in terms of my career, like I said, my major is music education, and I want to become a choir teacher, but everyone's always like, why Michigan? Like, why would you want to move to Michigan from California? You know, U of M is a really, really good school. It's super hard to get into. My high school grades were absolutely terrible, so that's why I'm going to community college first. But, you know, that's gonna take like a lot out of me, going to U of M. But you know, I'm super excited for it. I want to better my skills, and the reason why I want to become a choir teacher is because I really want to share my passion of music. You know, kind of the same reason why I'm just drop everything. You know, why I started this YouTube channel. I want to share my passion of makeup with the world. You know, like I said, I might not be the best, but I just want to put myself out there, you know what I mean? Okay, to get back to what I was saying before, you know, U of M is a super good school, and I need to audition to get into the School of Music, so I'm hopefully gonna start taking some vocal lessons later on in the year to better my skills so that I can actually do well in the audition. I've always had pride in my musical skills in terms of singing. You know, I haven't been the best at like playing guitar or piano, which is something I really need to get better at. But that comes with practice and lessons and all of that kind of stuff. But, you know, I've really had pride in my abilities to sing. I've been in choir for most of my life. So, you know, that's really helped develop my voice. Okay, so to get more into my YouTube channel and making videos, I have like this list of videos that I want to make, and that's in the notes on my phone. That's like the beauty videos and also the real talk videos. You know, it's really hard, especially because I don't have like a whole lot of time to think about it, like coming up with YouTube videos. So if there's something that you really want to see, you know, comment it. I'll look at the comments, you know, like I probably like don't have like a lot of subscribers at all. Like I know that I don't have a lot of subscribers at all. But you know, I'll look at all the comments and I'll see if there's like a video that I can do. You know, there's like a certain price range that I have for videos, so if it's like within my price range and you know I'm able to do it, then I'll for sure make the video. But that would be super duper helpful, because you know, making 2 videos a week, I'm gonna run out of those videos like super quick. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. It's probably a long one, I'm sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really got to know who I am, and I hope that'll keep you here, you know, watching my videos every week. I make videos twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, so be sure to tune in on those days. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!